Okay, so this is a follow-up on the DRO project that I explained earlier. So what you see here is I made some drawings of the carriage. So this is right here is the carriage, and this is the top portion that has a tool post mounted on it, and this is the one that has a little dial. And when I use the dial, what it does is it moves this part in and out, like just like this, and it moves the cutting tool in and out. And the parts I intend to make are shown here. And here's the DRO indicator, and it's got the display on the wire here. This is the box sitting in the back, and this is sort of the slide rule. And the way it's going to work is as I'm basically sliding this part in and out, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So as you see here, the sliding ruler is going to be fixed on the moving part there that moves the tool bit, so that, and this part is going to be fixed, and this is going to be able to measure precisely, I'm hoping down to 1 mil, the dial indicator. So so a couple of parts I'm going to have to make for this. One is this block right there, and that's going to be to fix the ruler, and I'm going to cut the ruler probably much shorter than what it is right now. It's going to have 3 holes. 2 of the holes are going to be to access machine screws on this block, because this block there's a T-slot right there, and I'm going to have a T-slot at the back and 2 screws to hold this yellow piece, spacer if you want. It's going to have, if you see underneath down there, a little bit of space. I don't want the ruler to slide or glide along the carriage, because it's just not going to work so well, especially if there's a little bit of debris. I want it to be able to clear that. And the third hole right here is simply a machine screw that's going to hold the slide ruler against this spacer right there. Now the other part I'm going to make is on the back of the DRO. I'm going to make this grain out of a little metal plate, and it's going to actually have a couple of screws, and it's going to be an aluminum plate that's going to be holding this in place. And also it's going to be used because to prevent debris from going into the box there through a couple of holes that there are in the back. And this is going to be screwed onto like another post. Here's a strange looking post, and again there's another T-slot right here, and that's going to be held down. This post here is going to be secured from the bottom with a screw here securing that part right there. So the first part I'm going to be machining is this one, so I can copy paste it somewhere else. There you go. Here's the part that I intend to make.